Hear me, the Gaza Nation. Hear me. And listen to me properly. One thing I not go love you for do. You don't sleep on likkle vibes. You hear me I say? And a lollipop thing me I tell you about. Because I don't know if some people not really listen music. Hear me? The youth find an international flow. And I see them find it from my listen him do stuck in the Jenna. You see what I deal with? Stuck in the Jenna, we do it daily. Money you have to make and we not move lazy. Spend a couple grand that no face me soon drop a couple million and get a play. Yo, from me hear the man with a singing style, I find out say the man thing no normal right about now. I wanna listen. Megan can see that. When find them blood clot topic there from Gaza Nation, when I find them look a simple topic, they were very effective. Listen to the man song, stuck in the Jenna. Then Megan can see that. Yo, the little youth wicked, The flow where I find, man. Let me tell you something, look from this, living murder, Yo, let me tell you something. I see the man song, I can see the man song, I play in a beer club, and the people them are crazy, especially the white people them. I don't even know joke thing. Because I saw him sound, clean, like a whistle, You remember back in the days when the milkman used to ride bicycle and have him carry the carrier bicycle when blow him whistle, and I don't even know no normal whistle him blow like what you see. Regular whistling or some long whistle, the whistle where the milkman and the iceman carry. And the milkman in a long jacket. And I blow him whistle and everybody run out of morning time. This is where I deal with for go get milk and them shit. Enough youth don't know what I talk about because them never even born yet. But I saw the youth son, like the milkman whistle. Clean! What? Yeah, man, yo. The world, it's not a plan. Hey, watch how I go on. Carefully. A franchise, the choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come for representing, you know it already, a full effect thing. You know it go? When I load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing then. Hey, you don't know a loud explosion, but yeah, watch me, man. Hey, are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite, most definitely. Hey, watch me. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. What? You know, man? Right about now in Gaza Nation. You don't need for run go over likkle vibes. Viva. Go shell where the youth song. Come in the on a lollipop thing, I say, go over my local artist, Viva, in name, likkle vibes. Go shell where the local youth song. Come let me tell you something. Nobody can tell me could have chat till Padras drop off. I say the youth international. And I not take back my chat. I say that singing flow the way him have. A sugar. If him don't stop that Ross, a beer people go and get diabetes. Watch and say if I lie, me I tell. Me say, if likkle vibes don't stop that Ross Claude sugar business with them vice business, look from this, a beer diabetes patient about. And I don't know joke thing me I deal with, So people can listen to me and skin up them teeth and feel like say some form of gimmicks thing me I deal with. Or me I chat for sound good. Or me I chat for good joke. No. Respect my brother. Okay. Good, alright. You too, my friend. Alright. No lollipop thing not into my game. I don't know games thing me I deal with. I say I look a vibe, I look a artist. When me am likkle vibes. I say him sick. You hear me? He might develop a sick flow. People now go can't stand it, my brethren. An international thing. Me see the youth them a slap off and me tell you already. You don't believe me. You don't know me stay already, man. You know say me not easy high grade me smoke and me not bun deed. And I don't gimmicks business. You know what I mean? Yeah, Gaza Nation, you know, I saw teacher say, man, work, and then I go after and a lollipop thing. You see, I'm off tomorrow, I'm off Sunday, I'm off Monday. So now gimmicks business, me I go up on them there. But right I know, you know, I work where I put out. I must get a check from pay there because we're working, you. And that's why I'm not laugh with it, I'm not easy. Yes, where I deal with, that's why I not really take talk. Yes, where I deal with, because I ask you have $1 or $2. I'm not have to ask for a basic thing. It have to be something major for me need help. And I know gimmicks business, you know what I mean? I not laugh with it. You know, I not play around with it. Eh? And all when I dep on my 2-0, I still a multitask, I still a ride and whistle, and gimmicks business, you know. I think a 1 or 2 thing I deal with, a 1 million thing I have to deal with in a one. But no worry yourself, a 10-star my name, the general, the choosing one. You see me make for this, is where I deal with. I can do a lot of things one time. I can watch the TV, still listen to the radio, and still left on my phone and text. I no gimmicks. I no gimmicks in it. Remember, you know, me a junglist, you know. Me a ghetto product, you know. Me a youth, you know. When I wait for things happen, you know. Me a youth who have to go out, they go make things happen, you know. I remember this, you know. We used to any and everything from our youth. And that's why I can hold them focus there. That's where I deal with. Because you can't there them place there honor gears. You can't there in a jungle honor gears. Where so much wanted man there. Police are look for man, bad man are look for man or whatever. No care what you do, you have to look out of your eye. That's where I deal with. It's just like crossing the road. You can't depend on the stoplight alone. You have to look out of your eye. Some people broke the stoplight and run you the fuck over and no gimmicks business. You see me? Just like driving, you know, drive for yourself alone. You have to drive for others. So you have to pay attention to the road. No gimmicks business, not day and night. That's where I deal with. But me I say Gaza Nation, likkle vybz song. I don't want to sleep on it. Many you know for go over there go stream the fuck out of the youth song. I not laugh with it. That's where I'm my local artist. And I joke thing. The music where him voice and the melody, me say right now I not even know if it pass sugar and gone to molasses and honey. And I know gimmicks business. And that him a develop. Him going to be a girl killer. I don't know joke shit. Him going to be a girl killer. And the worst thing, him so young Gaza Nation. You can imagine couple years after this. I'm like them youth here come like them come for Broke Vybz Cartel record. I wonder if I come them youth here come for Broke Vybz Cartel record. Because this no look normal, you know. So you can go and sleep on it and feel like a joke thing, you know. I feel like say some gimmicks thing and I overlook the youth them because of the world boss son, you know, and I follow people and think say some form of lollipop thing the youth them depend. Eh? A giant move the man them depend. Right now the man them they ever look like a giant. The man them act like them a girl. Yeah, the man them a girl. And I don't even know gimmicks business. Yeah, the man them look a cheap fucking mongrel dog where no one of them think that if you're not woof, you can't talk to them youth there. You have to woof. And not a joke thing. That's why the youth them a slam off an international market. So not go on like on not pay no attention. Them youth are not for talk no bag of slackness, you know. For them song nice. Look on the melody where the youth them are develop. And that you have to listen for. Listen to the melody where the youth them are develop, my brethren. And he must spit something on them where it probably a fly over on the ears corner now. Listen clearly. Yo. Right now, the youth collectively to me, you know, that. No form gimmicks business, you know. My artists that I may make that been knowing, you know, from now, you know. Because me been telling you, know, from the man drop stuck in the gen, I can't even come out of my head. That song the stamp down in my brain. You see what I deal with? And anytime you can have that form of effect on 10 star, that means if you know, say, you are going with wicked thing in a music. You see what I deal with? Because some know music, I don't really know music by people that just come and tell me about this and that. Mr. Man, I used to music by the beat. From me hear the beat, I can tell you every song on the rhythm. From way back, I saw me learn music, I saw me listen to music. You know what I mean? Remember me tell you already when me a youth I grow music not free like that. You don't hear music on the radio like that, my brother. You have to listen sound system. Or you have to put your money in a jukebox to press music. Or you listen cassette and them thing there. You see what I deal with? And music go by the beat them time there. So when you hear the beat, you know all of the song them on the rhythm. No form of gimmicks business not in it. And I hear some man I say, yo, Vybz Cartel in the song with Squashman and Chronicler, Vybz Cartel, I say Warner's brother. Oh, you mean if you say Warner's brother? Them never I come and tell already. Say them look at artists that them a Disney World patient. None of that the man I make you know. And that my man I make you know who no believe response to all of them automated character there. No Warner's brother. So when I hear people a review and I get it twisted, make sure straighten on up. I told me not do review because no boy not really bother me because not every boy have argument like me. You see what I deal with? And them animated artists that the general talk about when they talk about Warner's brother. Warner's brother response for them animated shit there. You see what I deal with? No gimmicks not in on my game. You know a 10 star, the general. You know each and every time I represent. You know what type of loud explosion I bring when I sound the thing them and drop necessary equipment. So I tell you, Gaza Nation, don't sleep and look at vibes. And I tell you, go over the man Vivo, go shell it where I want to see numbers on it. Yeah. I need to see numbers on the youth thing, no gimmicks business in it. Some look a full thing, more time I see come over the internet and some look a chup song where people are run and a real up. But let me tell you something, you know. Don't make this big bad #1 collaboration between Vybz Cartel, Squashman, Chronicler and Shopdown, you know. Make you know overlook look a vibes thing, you know. So you better multitask, you know. You better back on from 2 and 4, you know. And you know, gimmicks business, you know. Another far brother, you know. Make sure you go support that, you know. You hear what I say? Another far brother. So you go look on the collaboration. I saw you flip back to local vibes thing. Another joke thing. Quick whip whop. You see what I deal with? So you go over there, so go peep on the big collaboration, you come back, Jim Screech back over here, so come peep on local vibes thing, joke thing, the youth thing tough. You see what I deal with? And from where I say Gaza, what mean no stone unturned. You see what I deal with? And when you see the local youth put out them classic sound there and classic melody, you have to make sure you give him the self-confidence from now. We not wait till later and now I do it. That's what I deal with. We not do things by accident, you know. We are support the youth for spite. That's what I deal with. Yeah, man. And a joke thing, man. Remember Gaza triangle, you know, man. Remember Gaza way. It can't go no other way, you know. You know, some boy talk about, go look on the World Boss IG, the World Boss post up my video again. The World Boss already hashtag me, what I talk about. You think a gimmicks thing, you can go and stay there and fret. World Boss not done, make you know, say, losers watch winners. Next year, win man a win. You think you see nothing yet? What? Gaza Nation. I say make sure you go over local vibes, Vivo, go shell where the man thing, hotter than where elder. You hear what I tell you, no? And then a gimmicks thing in a work, me there me make you know. And the general, the 10 star one I represent. And you know, each and every time we represent, you know how it go. Loud explosion, 10 star, general. U3G, Gaza fraternity, and another joke thing, the thing in a good hands, no lollipop thing about it. So make sure you go over there, go support the youth them thing. Me not laugh with it. So by me get home in the morning, the man Vivo thing supposed to look nice. So all of my people them will subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go over local vibes thing. Me say go shell it way. Hotter than we hell. Or the general the 10-star wanna represent. Watch. Watch. Watch Gaza Nation. Watch.